Welcome to my channel. I'm Chris and today we have another apartment tour for you. Today's apartment will actually be a little bit different because we're touring the regular 1-bedroom, 1-bathroom, but this one is 1,000 square feet and is right near the waterfront, right next to the Olympic Sculpture Park. So let's come check it out. Like I said before, this apartment is a 1-bedroom, 1-bathroom, 1,000 square foot apartment on the 3rd floor of the Olympus. This apartment right now goes for $2,600 per month, although the price varies depending on what's available. Entering this apartment, you can see that there's a kitchen overlooking a nice big living area. Here you could fit 1, 2, maybe even 3 couches if you really wanted to. I like this because it has a nice amount of natural light that can get through. This is southwest facing, so you'll always get sun even in the winter. That is when it is sunny. When I was recording today, it's not sunny, it's actually pretty cloudy, but at least this gives you a good idea of what it would look like on one of those cloudy days and throughout most of the year actually. I like the hardwood floors in the living area and I like how much space it gives you. And really, if you're good at decorating, you could definitely make this a great space to live in and just hang out in. There isn't too much of a view from this apartment, but you can actually see parts of the Puget Sound, although there is a brick building blocking you. Although even if the view is blocked, you're also really close to the Puget Sound, so you literally just have to step right outside of your apartment and then you could go ahead and enjoy the view of the mountains and the water. The living room itself leads into a kitchen, which is a little bit small, but still it gives you plenty of countertop space and plenty of plugins and areas where you could charge anything that you need, whether it be a toaster, a blender, or whatever you use. I did check the water pressure just to make sure. That's one thing that I always make sure to do. The water pressure is always fine, but just gotta be extra safe. These cabinets are a little bit shallow, but there's nothing wrong with that, just because now you know that you could reach everything that you put in there, and you don't have to worry about reaching far into the back crevices, trying to find, I don't know, some ketchup or something. Near the entrance, you also have a coat closet, or a closet for whatever else you want to put in it. It's not super large, but it should be enough to store some luggage and maybe a couple jackets and whatever other boxes that you need to bring when you move. Next, we're gonna walk along the hallway and go into the bathroom. Nothing too special about it. You get plenty of cabinet space. You have one sink, a big mirror. Unfortunately, there's not a full body mirror. Most places don't have them, but it'd be amazing if we could get an apartment that had a full body mirror. If you know an apartment in Seattle that has one of those, let me know. I definitely want to move there. Inside the bathroom, you also have the washer and dryer unit, which are a little bit small, so you won't be doing any big loads here, but still perfectly fine. Then before you go to the bedroom, there's actually a nice little den area. It's not super large, but it is big enough to put your own little desk here and just have a small office near your bedroom. It's nice to have a dedicated space to work from home, especially with more work from home being an option. So it's not that large, but it's good enough for one person to have a little space. The bedroom itself is the only carpeted room in this building, which I appreciate. I don't like carpets anywhere else. The bedroom is acceptable, so props to them. The bedroom also has a nice large window which lets in plenty of light. If it were sunny, it'd look a lot cooler, but it's not, so this is what you get. It also has the same great view, and I don't know if you could notice this, but you actually can't really hear the cars outside. And inside of the bedroom itself is also a walk-in closet with more space than the other one. So this here is where you will have enough room for everything that you need, or at least I would have enough room. Overall, nice addition, and it's nice to have a large closet in the bedroom itself. But that's just about it for this apartment. One thing that I would like to talk about though is the location of the apartment itself. It's right in Belltown, but also really close to the Space Needle, to the Puget Sound, to Olympic Sculpture Park, and if it's a nice day out, you could make a nice only 10 to 15 minute walk to Pike Place Market. It's in a really great location because when I was walking around here, everyone seemed pretty friendly, and it's a little bit outside of downtown, so you don't get quite as much energy as downtown, but you're still close enough that you could literally just walk downtown if you really want to go there. But even if you don't like the apartment itself, I definitely have to give this place an A+ for location. It's easy to drive to, has relatively easy access to the highways, and has one of my favorite parks right next to it. But let me know what you think. This just about wraps up our apartment tour. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please comment down below. Yeah, and let me know if this is a place that you would stay, or what you do to change this place to make it a place that you would love. With that, I hope you have a great rest of the day, and I'll see you in the next video.
There is a life I lead in this city, hurrying to cut my teeth. I can take what I need to get by.